Construction of a matrix when its general term and order are given. So for construct of a matrix, we take one example. Construct a matrix of order 2 into 2 whose general element is Aij is equal to 3i plus 4j. So now we are going to construct a matrix of order 2 into 2 and general term is defined. So first of all write general matrix of order 2 into 2. First element will be A11 and second element of the first row is A12. First element of the second row is A21 and second element of the second row is A22. Now we are going to calculate value of A11. For A11 we are observing that value of I is 1, value of j is 1. We put these value of I and j in general term. General term is 3i plus 4j. Now we are putting 1 in place of I and 1 in place of j. After calculation we get it is 7. The value of A11 is 7. Similarly, for A12, we put 1 in place of I and 2 in place of j. After calculation, we get it is 11. Now, A21, value of I is 2, value of j is 1. Again, we put value of I and j in general element. Its value is 10. Now for A22, I is 2, j is 2. Again we put value of I and j in general element and we get its value comes 14. In this way we get all the 4 values of the required matrix and we put these values in their corresponding position. That's why A equals to 7, 11, 10, 14. This is the required matrix. Now we take another example for the construction of matrix. Construct a matrix A equal to Aij of order 3 into 2 when Aij equal to 5i plus 3j if I is less than j. Its value is 7 if I equal to j. 4i minus 3j if I is greater than j. The general element is defined and we will decide for calculating the general element in which situation or in which case we are. So that's why we are going to calculate a matrix of order 3 into 2. Total element will be 6. So first of all we write general matrix. This is A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. For calculation of the A11, value of I is 1, value of j is 1. So in this case we observe that I and j both are equal. So that's why according to the general element, if I equal to j then its value is 7. So that's why value of A11 is 7. Now A12, I is 1, j is 2. In this case I is less than j. So that's why we use this general element 5i plus 3j. So we put 1 in place of I and 2 in place of j. So after putting we calculate it is 11. So that's why value of A12 is 11. Now for A21 I is 2, j is 1. Here we observe that I is greater than j. So that's why we put value of I and j in 4i minus 3j. So 4i minus 3j, I is 2 and j is 1. So its value comes 5. For A22, I and j both are equal. In this situation, element is given to us 7. Now A31, I is 3, j is 1. So in this case I is greater than j. So that's why we put value in general element 4i minus 3j and after calculating we get its value is 9. Now A32 I is 3, j is 2. Again we observe that I is greater than j, so that's why we put its value in general element 4i minus 3j. After calculation we get its value comes 6. In this way we have all the values of all the 6 elements. So after that we put all the values in their corresponding positions. In this way we get final matrix A equal to 7, 11, 5, 7, 9, 6.